Physics Blender. I love 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 Physics Blender. Subscribe for more videos.
Question 5. We have here a machine pushes a metal post into the ground using a hammer, and here we have a loud noise and so on. A man stands 160 meters from the hammer. When the man is seeing the hammer hit the post, a short time later he hears the sound. This question is repeated many times, guys. Why? There is a delay in hearing the sound. There's a difference between seeing the object or seeing the hammer hitting the post and hearing the sound. Again, light travels faster than sound. Light travels faster than sound. Okay. The second part is very important also. The hammer is 320 meters from a large building. So the man hears now the hammer hit the post and then hears an echo. We have here echo is mentioned. Explain why he hears an echo. Because here the sound is reflected back. So the person, as I told you earlier, you should identify where the person is located, where is the obstacle, where is the sound source. Here, where is the sound source? Here we have the hammer hitting or the machine, so here is the sound source. Okay? Okay. So here the post, the machine, the hammer hitting the post, so the sound source at this place. The man hears the hammer hitting the post, so the echo here is produced since the sound source is here, so the sound is produced from this post to the large building and then reflected back, and it will reach the person, the man. So the answer is the sound is reflected or bounces back from the building. The sound is reflected from the building or bounces back. The sound is reflected from the building. Okay. The next question is challenging and is very important. Okay, I will answer it here so you can see the diagram. Let's read it first. Calculate the time difference between the man hearing the first sound and then hearing the echo. Hearing the first sound, as I told you, you have to identify the location of the sound source. Okay, so directly here from the sound source, this is the first sound he can hear. So this is the first sound here in green. The distance traveled by the sound from the source directly to the man. So this is the distance you have to use when you are calculating the time taken to hear the first sound. So I will write here that the time taken. So guys, we are solving here second part. Time taken for first sound. You have to substitute distance divided by speed. the speed is mentioned here in the question, which is 320. So 320 meter per second. Check your units are consistent. Sorry. Teachers are making mistakes. Mistakes are proof that we are trying. Okay, the speed is 320 meter per second. Distance is from the source directly to the man, which is here 160 meters. Is it right? So the answer is 0.5 seconds. Okay, guys? So this is the first part. The time taken for the echo. I will write it in blue. Time taken for hearing the echo. It will be also distance divided by speed, but the distance here will be different. The speed will be the same. Sound, the original sound and the echo in the same medium, so they have the same speed. So we have 320 meter per second. Okay? The distance here, if you look at the arrow I drew already on the diagram, from the source, okay, let me do it again in red. So we have here the location of the source. So from the source to the building, so the original sound to the building, it will be reflected back. But till now, it didn't reach the man. So it will continue in the same direction here to reach the man. If you calculate here the total distance, so the total distance will be 320 from this original sound to the building, 320 and back. So it will be 320 plus 320 plus 160. So this would be the total distance. If you find the final answer, so this is in meters, the final answer will be 800 divided by 320. The answer is 2.5 seconds. But the question is asking you to calculate the difference. Go back to the question, the time difference. So you have the first answer, the second answer. So the difference will be 2.5 minus 0.5. So the answer is 2 seconds. You can write here 2 seconds. Is it clear? This question is challenging and it's very important. The last part suggests how the sound of the echo is different from the first sound. As we said earlier, the echo, it's a fact. The echo is quieter than the original sound. Since quieter, so you can write it in different ways. You can say that the echo is quieter or less amplitude, or as I told you, less energy, because somehow energy could be absorbed by the building or whatever, loss of energy during traveling, less energy.
Subscribe for more videos. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor.